Knowledge, wisdom, experiences, sharing is good life. Welcome to our channel Hamara Good Life. Subscribe now for more knowledge and informative videos. Namaste, my name is Anand. Welcome to our channel Hamara Good Life. Today we are going to see the importance of policy verification after we purchase an insurance policy and some key tips regarding the policy. Okay, let us go into the video. Many regarding the insurance company will give you a feedback like insurance company has paid less amount but I have paid more, and sometimes they will be telling that insurance company has completely rejected my claim, and someone will tell that insurance is waste, we need not pay the insurance. But I will tell you why this feedback will come. Let us start with some example. Normally we all go to the supermarket. When you purchase a chips packet, milk packet, curd packet, any packet, the operator will scan that part and he will select that MRP which is the product you have purchased. Unfortunately, by mistake, the operator selected the wrong MRP. You have forgotten and you have not observed. After a day or two, you found that they have billed with wrong. So you immediately go there and if you ask them, you tell me whether they will accept or they will return the product, or they will exchange the product, or they will give the money. Ultimately, no. No one will accept their mistakes. Similarly, insurance company also, if you don't verify the policy copy, what the insurance company, what the agent has given you, and when at the time of the claim, insurance company sees only the policy document, and they will straight away tell that this coverage is not there, we are not paying this one. And sometimes claims will also be rejected. Sometimes the coverages which the agent or any other person which have told you, it will not be in the policy copy. So it is very important to verify all the details in the policy which has given to you immediately, as early as possible. This may happen sometimes regarding because of increasing lot of competition. As we have discussed in our old video, classification of insurance, there are total around 60 companies in insurance industry, and some in life and some in general, and lack of knowledge of the salespersons, new agents, new brokers, and because of the lot of coverages, as we have discussed earlier, lot of add-on coverages, type of mistakes will happen. Normally sales executive will give you some quote. After going to the office, because of that sudden price increase or any other issues, the price is not matching to the what you have paid. So the agent or the salespersons will do some adjustments like removing one coverage, adding another coverage, some other benefits, removing everything they will do. So if you not verify that policy, when the claim comes, you will be in a trouble. So after you receiving a policy, if you verify all the details and if you feel any of the commitment which the person has told, it is not there in the policy, if you raise very immediately, insurance company will resolve it immediately. Change in the policy is called as endorsement. They will do the endorsements. If it is free of cost, they will do it free of cost. If it is in additional coverages, they will ask you to pay some additional amount. If you pay that coverage will be added. It is very important to verify the policy copy. Now we will discuss what are the main key concepts to be verified in the policy. Normally, the top side will be the header. Header means insurance company, the name and address, and the bottom also there will be a signature, authorization, and some toll-free numbers. When a claim raises, whom to contact, every details will be there, like agent name, agent code, signature of the insurer, insurance company. That is called as the insurer class. And the bottom, if you come down, there will be an insured class. Insured class means the name of the person who is taken the policy and the name of the asset which he is been registered, which he is been taken the insurance. Similarly, all the details of the property or any other what the insurance company has paid you, like that. And below that there will be a premium sheet, that is premium for what are the coverages they have given, how much premium charged for that coverage, that will be there. And the bottom is very important, it is called as terms and conditions. In simple words, you can tell as inclusions and exclusions. what insurance company will pay, what insurance companies will not pay. That will be listed there. That is called as a terms and conditions and limitations and warranties, like that. Almost all insurance companies will maintain the same format. Only some like slight changes, upside down and like that, they will do that. Almost all insurance companies will maintain the same format. If you want any policy copy, if you have any doubt on any policy, you can write to us. We will explain you clearly what is the coverages are there, what are the not coverages are there. Regarding the policy mistakes, I want to share you one example. For example, if your name is a Sivaram Krishna Prasad, let us assume. But when policy typing, policy creation, they have typed only as Prasad. Insurance company will 100% put your claim on hold, because there are n number of Prasads in India. So insurance company don't know whether you are the correct person or you are the wrong person. So insurance company will put on the claim on hold, and they will ask necessary proofs. Sometimes they will even verify the signatures which you put before taking a policy. So if any wrong is there, insurance company will reject the claim. They will ask for the clarification. So always make sure that your name is corrected without any spelling mistakes in like all the other proof, like Aadhaar card, PAN card, all the registered proofs. Spelling mistake, I will give you one more example. Assume the name Pavani, Pavani, is a female. If there is some spelling mistake, for example, he had not typed the I letter. So now the spelling is Pavan. So now the female becomes male here. So now you tell me, will insurance company will hold the claim or not? Yes, 100% they will hold the claim. They will straight away tell that this policy is not belongs to you, this is a male policy. Now again, you need to write, you need to request, you need to share all the proofs that I am the owner of this policy, I was been paying the premiums and all everything you need to show them. They will verify, and if they are correct, they will issue the. For example, let us assume insurance company has released the payment, a check to you on the name of Pavan, because policy is taken on the name of Pavan. So payment will be name of the Pavan. How tell? Will the bank, will she able to get that cash in the bank? No, because the check is in the name of Pavan, but her name is Pavani. So now you have understood the importance of policy verification. You should 100% you need to verify all the details in the policy card. One more I want to tell you regarding this. Sometimes insurance company will reject the claim because the details you provided is wrong. In motor policies, there is a discount given for no claim bonus. We will discuss in another matter. Just for anyone who knows the motor claims, they would have aware of this one. No claim bonus. If you have mistakenly declared or sales executive has by mistaken he had given any discount, already you have claimed last year, insurance company will straight away reject that. As you have declared wrong information, we cannot pay the claim. So each and every part, each and everything in the policy you should verify and you should confirm that everything is correct. If you feel any suspect, you should immediately raise a concern to the agent or insurance company. This was been told to me, but this is not there. So do some correction in the policy. So if any mistakes at the time of the claim, you cannot make the correction. How you open all your old policies and check whether all the details are correct or not. If you have any doubt, please put in the comments, write a mail, we will definitely help you. If you like the video, kindly press like button and share to all your friends and family so that this critical information will help them, will help their nominees, relatives, everyone to be in the safe side. Thank you. Thank you for your subscriptions and support. Thank you.